Good evening. I am Roland Josh. Welcome to We Build from Broken Things, Chapter 3 in the Reflection Series. In this space, we breathe, we break, and we begin again. In this third chapter of the Reflection Series, we gather the shattered pieces and begin again. In life, we are not born strong. We are born soft, fragile, open, untouched. And life, in its mercy or madness, begins the shaping. Sometimes gentle, sometimes brutal. Most times, we break in places no one sees. In quiet moments, in violent storms. Cracks spider across our hearts. Dreams shatter and trusts splinter. And sometimes, even we ourselves feel irreparably undone. But the story does not end in pieces, because somewhere in that wreckage, we begin again. We gather what we can, shards of love, slivers of hope, and the bruised remnants of who we used to be. And from that, we build, not as we were, but as something new, something scarred, yes, but also something both wise and more resilient. Like kintsugi, the art of broken pottery lined with gold, our fractures become part of our design, proof that we have lived, lost, and risen. We are vessels of pain and persistence, of heartbreak and healing, of moments that nearly ended us, and those that remade us. Some losses are visible. We carry them not just in our hearts, but in our bodies. And still, we rise. We learn to balance again, to walk again, differently, but forward all the same. And so we walk, maybe slower, maybe with a limp, but never with shame. Because we are not what broke us. We are what we chose to build after. Thank you for listening. I'm Roland Josh. And this has been We Build from Broken Things. Until next time, keep rising even if you do so slowly.